2, 3, 4, 5, 7,
6.
6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Saan po dito yung 9? Ay, very good. O, sige, kabit mo. Dito. Kabit mo yung french fries. O, sige, kabit mo yung french fries papunta kay 9. Go. Yun. O, yung juice naman. Bilangin natin yung juice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Nasaan si 5? Ayun, very good. Sige, kabit mo. Okay, next, ano ba to? Peanut? O, bilangin natin isa-isa. Go. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Nasaan si 8? Ay, very good. O, go, kabit mo. Kabit mo po. Ang galing. Oh, wow, burger. Favorite mo po ba yung burger? Ay, hindi. O, sige po, count mo yung burger.
1, 2,
Sige, 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. Very good. Nasaan si 10? Oh, very good naman si Kuya Sebastian. Ay, pizza naman.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Very good.